quick video update for today, what I've been working on. So I've got the MMU2s back in line. It's been working good today. I'm so happy about that. This guy here is printing out some PETG mini spool holders, and this guy down here is printing out the same but in ABS. 250 bed, 90. That's all I need for the hatchbox ABS. If I was to use ASA or the other ABSs, I go 100 on the bed. So yeah, this guy here updated the bear. Haven't updated this one to the bear stuff yet, the bear extruder or X-axis, because I'm still researching what parts I need for the extruder to move the IR sensor up where it needs to be for the MMU2s to work. So today I got 6 of those, the Delta PSU covers printed out, multicolor, and this LCD screen's been going for a while, multicolor. So it's been running today about 12 hours, 60 to 80 tool changes, and not a single jam because of either large strings or blobbing at the end of the filament. So getting rid of that Noctua and replacing the fan with the Sun-On G99 solved my issue of, okay, it works for about an hour and then changes start going wrong. Heat creep. Prusa really needs to drop that Noctua crap and put a real fan in. Let's not Rev 6, Rev 7 the extruder. Let's just stay at the rev we are and put a real fan on that has enough static pressure to cool an E3D V6 hot end, and all the problems will be solved. So that's what I've been working on today. The spot's still sitting there waiting for my Mini. Hopefully that'll come in sometime, maybe. Alright, well, we'll check you later on the next projects. Bye.